Showers of blessings today and always. Showers and showers of blessings. I'm in a beautiful place in Kodai and the weather is excellent and it's very windy. Today, as I just completed my spiritual practices, I wanted to tell you, whenever I come to Kodai, generally I just sit cooped up inside the room, sitting in front of a warm heater. I never step out, and spiritual practices generally get to lag when I'm in Kodai. But yesterday, I had a blessing to listen to a lovely story, which totally motivated me to continue my practices, my routine, my habits, irrespective of wherever I am. There was this young boy, குட்டி பையன், தோட்டத்தில் விளையாண்டுட்டு இருக்கான். ஏதோ ஒரு குச்சியை வச்சு வட்டமா மண்ணில் போட்டுட்டு. The father inside the house calls him and says, come inside, come inside, come inside. So the boy tells him, you just wait for some time. Wait till I finish my game and then I will come inside. But the father keeps insisting, please come inside. So finally, the boy throws away the stick very reluctantly and comes inside and asks the father, what do you want? So the father looked at him and asked, what were you playing in the garden that you were refusing to come in? So the boy said, I was playing with an ant. So the father looked at him surprised and said, you were playing with an ant? So the boy said, yes. Well, what was the game? And who won? So the boy proudly told his father, obviously I won the game. And you come out, I will show you the game we were playing. And when the boy took the father out to the garden, the father could see the boy had drawn circles and circles on the mud. So the boy pointed to the circle, all the circles and said, every time I had to circle the ant and try to keep it within the circle. And when the ant moved out of the circle, I had to keep circling around the ant till I had him inside the circle of mine. So final circle was there and the father looked at the circle. It was a half-drawn circle with the dead ant inside. The father looked at the boy and said, my goodness, you didn't win. It's the ant that won the game. So immediately the boy looked at the father questioningly and said, how is that possible? Well, till the end, the ant did not allow you to limit its movements within the circle that you were drawing. It played its game till the end, absolutely without any restrictions or without restricting itself or imprisoning itself within the circle that you were drawing around it. A lovely story. So this inspired me. Whatever the case may be or wherever I am, however chill it may be, whatever excuses that pop up in our minds of no time, have loads of work, I am tired, I am sleepy. I tell you girls, if you make up your mind to never allow yourself to be limited, definitely you will be able to do your daily rituals. The problem is we allow ourselves to be imprisoned within the circle that someone else or outside environment draws or restricts around us. So, I'm sure this little ant that motivated me will surely have motivated you to continue your self-enhancing, beautiful rituals every day. Stay blessed, my gorgeous girls. Stay blessed. Take care.